Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Pedigree charts can look super confusing at first, but identifying Y-linked inheritance is actually a total breeze if you know exactly what to spot. Y-linked traits are passed directly from fathers to every single one of their sons because only males carry the Y chromosome. This means females can never inherit or express these traits. Looking closely at Pedigree C, we see every affected male passes the trait to all his sons. No females are shaded, which perfectly matches the strict pattern of Y-linked genetic inheritance. Options A and D show females with the trait. Option B shows a father not passing it to his son. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi, watch for female inheritance, and trust the pedigree steps to avoid mistakes.